Naturalistic Mega-Evolution has been falsified by its failed predictions. 1. In this video, we present 5 failed predictions to support the thesis mentioned above. This video series presents 22 failed predictions. Failed prediction. 1. The DNA code is not unique. The DNA code is a frozen accident, with little or no special or particular properties. Falsification. We now know that the code's arrangement uniquely reduces the effects of mutations and reading errors. As one paper concluded, the code's properties were unexpected and still cry out for explanation. Vetzigian, K. Vetzigian, C. Woza, N. Goldenfeld, Collective Evolution and the Genetic Code. Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, 2006. Failed prediction 2. The cell's fundamental molecules are universal. Falsification. This conclusion that the fundamental molecular processes within the cell are common to all species was superficial. In later years, as the details were investigated, important differences between species emerged. This unexpected diversity makes the origin and evolution of DNA replication systems a particularly challenging and intriguing problem in evolutionary biology. Kunin. Temporal order of evolution of DNA replication systems, inferred by comparison of cellular and viral DNA polymerases. Biology Direct, 2006. Failed prediction 3. Mutations are not adaptive. In the 20th century, the theory of evolution predicted that mutations are not adaptive or directed. Falsification. That assumption is now known to be false. The first problem is that the mutation rate is adaptive. The second problem is that organisms use strategies to direct the mutations according to the threat. Failed prediction 4. Competition is greatest between neighbors. Darwin's basic theory of evolution by itself did not account for the tree-like, hierarchical pattern the species were thought to form. Falsification. No such trend has been observed. In a major study of competition between freshwater green algae species, the level of competition between pairs of species was found to be uncorrelated with the evolutionary distance between the pair of species. It was completely unexpected. When we saw the results, we said, "This can't be." We sat there banging our heads against the wall. Darwin's hypothesis has been with us for so long. How can it not be right? When we started coming up with numbers that showed Darwin wasn't right, we were completely baffled. We should be able to look at the tree of life, and evolution should make it clear who will win in competition and who will lose. But the traits that regulate competition can't be predicted from the tree of life. Simons. Marlene Kymans, 2014. Old idea about ecology, questioned by new findings. National Science Foundation. Failed prediction 5. Protein evolution. Proteins are ubiquitous in all of life and must date back to the very early stages of evolution. Falsification. Despite enormous research efforts, science clearly shows that such protein evolution is astronomically unlikely. Given the several significant problems, the chances of evolution finding proteins from a random start are, as one evolutionist explained, highly unlikely. Touts. Or, as another evolutionist put it, although the origin of the first primordial genes may ultimately be traced back to some precursors in the so-called RNA world billions of years ago, their origins remain enigmatic. Kaisman. Touts, Detart, Tomislav Domazet-Loso, 2011, Nature Reviews Genetics. H. Kaisman, 2010, Origins, Evolution, and Phenotypic Impact of New Genes. Genome Research. Conclusion. 1. Naturalistic Mega-Evolution has been falsified by its failed predictions. 2. So given the failed predictions above, why do evolution believers still cling to Naturalistic Mega-Evolution, Mega? The answer is that Mega is based on atheist faith. 3. Naturalistic Mega-Evolution has been falsified by math, logic, and scientific evidence, as we have discussed in various videos. The fact that evolution believers still cling to Mega shows that Mega is really a metaphysical interpretive paradigm, an atheist creation myth that is immune to all contrary evidence due to atheist dogmatic faith. Thanks to Dr. Cornelius Hunter, PhD in biophysics and computational biology, for the list of failed predictions, and to Michael Moat for summarizing the information. The conclusions are mine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.